What's up, guys? Welcome back to Not Your Father's Capital. I'm Mark. Wanted to give you guys a quick video update. What's going on within the crypto game? Okay, so as always, guys, if you're new to the channel, I appreciate you all being part of the team here. Please subscribe down below. Smash that like button as well if you have not yet done so. And I hope everyone had a great holiday. We're getting into the new year, and I want to share with you exactly what happened because there was a lot of people out there that expected that there was going to be a Santa Claus rally that we see with more traditional markets. Now, this is something where we've seen with crypto. Suddenly we saw basically a sell-off, basically down to $1.65 trillion in the total market cap, okay? Now, why is this important? Okay, well, like I said, everybody was expecting the market to go up, get into that Santa Claus rally or whatever you want to call it. But now we've seen basically a lot of the altcoins that were having a ton of success see a little bit of a correction, okay? And that's where we've seen over the last 24 hours. Most have fallen 3%, some more than that, okay? And this was just basically sudden, guys, just in a snap of a finger. We've seen basically XRP. We've seen Solana, Ethereum, BNB, a lot of the top 10s. And you know, you can see that trickle-down effect because Bitcoin getting down now to 42K, a little bit above that right now is something where that's where you're going to see that trickle effect, right? The dominoes started to fall, and then here's what would happen. Very suddenly, we saw a shift in the market. Now, a lot of people believe that this is a good sign, okay? A lot of people thought that the crypto market was a little too hot, and it was running hot, which means that the only way it can go up is if we had a little bit of a cool down to kind of reset. Well, that's kind of what I'm looking at when we talk about January in the start of the new year. This is something where I think as we get into Q1 for 2024, institutionally, I think you're going to see a lot more positions open up as well with some of the more institutional players within crypto. I think that's where those inflows are going to come back into the game. But right now, we're just seeing basically a lot of, a lot of broader sell-off. And that's something where a correction isn't necessarily a bad thing, okay? You see, the unexpected obviously will make you have at least one eye open. But this is something where you instead of raising eyebrows, let's take a positive from it and realize that maybe the market needed to cool down before we can go up, okay? So that's something where we're seeing Ethereum down at like 2,200. Like I said, guys, Bitcoin falling down from a 24-hour high, essentially at that 42.7, 42.5 level right here at the time of this recording, okay? Now, obviously, this can all change like it went down. It could very easily go right back up. But we're seeing some more broader liquidations. I think that's what's going to happen. And as well, there's a little side note with the Mt. Gox creditors. It's really not important for the longer-term view of things, but they are possibly going to have some Bitcoin liquidations, people selling off their positions, taking some profits when they get all that basically unfolds, okay? So that's something when they receive those Bitcoin payments, probably see another dip within Bitcoin. But overall, the market is stable. I think it's something where we look in 2024. Like I say, guys, huge crypto events, milestones within the Bitcoin halving, as well as what we're going to get with, I think, the new presidential regime that's going to happen. And not just with the cooling of the price action on today's charts, but more so with the inflation cooling off as it looks to be coming down from the Fed in the United States. I think we're going to see a lot of global inflation going down as well, and see what happens within basically the result of the Bitcoin halving. I think that's the big step, okay? But that's what I got for you guys in this video. Like I said, obviously, guys, not financial advice, giving you guys my take on the market as it sits right currently here in the video. But I'm out traveling for the holiday. It's going to be basically about a day or two before I get fully up and running. But check out the channel. A lot of long-form content on there. We're covering all of your favorite cryptos up and through the new year. Going to have plenty of stuff out there. It's going to be a very exciting time for us as investors, crypto enthusiasts alike. And I hope you guys all are doing well, like I said. But remember to subscribe down below. And let me know down below in the comments what you guys are thinking about this. Do you think we were going to have a Santa Claus rally or maybe not? Just anything, all your feedback, much appreciated. But I thank you all for being part of the channel. We'll see you all in the next video. Thanks, everyone.